These people are living hundreds of years behind the modern world. Welcome to the Hadza tribe. Here, mothers scratch their babies' faces so they learn not to cry when they feel pain. A group prepares their arrows for the hunt, carefully planning their positions before setting out. They carry knives, along with both poisoned and non-poisoned arrows. They also take dogs with them, using their sharp sense of smell and hearing to help locate prey. And finally, after all the preparation, this is how they get their hunt.